I'm back to Lusaka and I'm going back to Moose's workshop because it's time to change my tires and to actually finally put some new decals on Chile. It's been a while. She's due for like 1 year for new decals, but finally the mob that is always supplying me decals from Korea was able to actually ship them to Africa finally. Now we right? I think it's this gate. I remember that. I think so. Good to see you again. Ooh, a bit crowded today. Hello. I'm well, Moose. How are you? Good to see you again. How's things? Back to Lusaka, back to Moose's garage, and today we are changing Chile's tires. Guys, say hi. Friday, Moose.
Hi everybody.
So we are changing tires. New Bridgestone Adventure Cross has just arrived. It was quite of a project to get them out of the airport, but yeah, they're already here. And we're also gonna change to these decals. So this is exciting. Yeah. This one is down. Okay, let's do unpacking moment. Ta-da! Look at this. Cool, hey? Should I try?
Yeah, you can.
Oh! So, these tires have done 10,000 Ks, and within that time bike was stationary for 9 months, so they're pretty old, didn't get punctures, so that's really good. And I'm actually quite surprised I got so much mileage out of them, especially the rear one. Normally they last me around 8, but I guess I was going very slow in Malawi. My speed was like 80 Ks, and because there was just too many people on the road and too much was happening, so I was really, slow. So again, the slower you go, the more mileage you're going to get on your tires. And this one is definitely halfway through its life. Of course, I could leave it. I'm going to change it now because who knows when the next time I'm going to be able to change it. So that's it. Let's change it. Time for new stickers. Look, I got so many goodies from S&C Decals from Korea. So these guys have been supporting me forever, really, from the moment I started my round the world trip. So they always supply me with, extra stickers for the road, and then that's their stickers. And this is so cute. They send me like Korean traditional outfit stickers. This is so cool. I'm gonna put it on Chile. I'm gonna select one, and they sell me some extra, stickers also. I'm gonna give away to people along the way. They're really cool. I love it. It's the BMW. So nice. And these are the decals for Chile. You're gonna see it in a second. What's gonna happen? Uh-oh. Oh look, there were other stickers underneath. There's a lot of... Chile, you look so plain. So strange to see you this way. We need to cover you up. Seriously. And guess what? I'll be changing my straps on Lone Rider bags. Lone Rider sent me these red ones because I think they're gonna really nicely match my red frame. So Moose is now helping me out. So it's pretty easy fix except for this last bit. But yeah, we've got the tools, so it's quite easy to do. Too easy.
There you go.
Nice. I love it. It's gonna look so cool.
Okay.
None of us are professionals at decals, but we had some crash course online, right, Moose? We did.
Yep.
And we already know we have to, because there's too many edges, so we're gonna, I was going to do it like, you know, like, but no, we're gonna spray it. We don't have a spray, we're gonna use this bottle, some bottles. Woo! Okay, I think that's enough. What do you reckon? Okay, I think I placed it. So now, we're gonna use our custom-made tool, duct tape, cloth, and we're gonna yep, Moose's turn. And that's important decal. Better get it right, Moose.
I think you chose me the worst one, eh?
Yeah, for sure. Time for the aluminium pannier. Ready, Moose?
Yep. So that there.
There you go.
Okay.
And the difficulty is because the bike is got a lot of sort of, you know, dips, yeah, and angles. So it's not that easy as you think. Alright. This may look easy, but it's not.
More forward?
More forward?
Yeah, I'm gonna start by that line, okay?
Alright, so between.
Alright, it'll come down now.
Oh, look at that! Professional.
I've never done this before.
And I think we can cut it with a knife later, right?
Right.
How many people take chili over there? Oh, we close there. Moose, thank you so much. It was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you for all your
Nice to see
great
you.
service.
Well, and we keep in touch
Thank you. All the best.
wherever you are.
Okay, 40 minutes. What? I think I need a charging cable for that sort of trip because probably there's traffic now, hey? All right, guys. So long, my friends. Until next time. Bye-bye. New tires. Woo! Thank you. See ya. New tires feel so good. Hi guys, I was on a sick leave for the last 10 days. I'm in Lusaka at the moment, but I didn't do any recording of the town because pretty much I was running around between the doctors to try to solve my issues caused by bilharzia. But yesterday I got my results back and I'm good to go. I'm clear, I'm free of bilharzia and hopefully, yeah, all the other issues too. And I'm heading to Lower Zambezi. Apparently it's a beautiful part of Zambia. It's not too far, it's only I think maybe 110 kilometers, but I will go finally through gravel roads because the rain has stopped and it's finally, yeah, it's possible to do during this season. So I'm looking forward to that. That'll be good remedy for my sickness, I think. Nothing better than bike, hey? Yes, Chile, new tires and off-road. It's going to be a good day. I'm excited about that. So long, Lusaka.
Mwenda patali?
Pardon?
Mwenda patali?
No, just decreasing the pressure in tire. All good, thank you.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good, thank you.
All right, let's do it. So it looks like there's lots of roadworks here. I wonder for how long. Which way? Maybe this way. Sandy patches here and there, but it's more like a dust than sand. So you see, it's like a dust, not sand. So fine. But anyway, let's keep going. Hello, how are you?
Yeah, okay, how are you?
Good, thank you. Where are you guys going? Where are you going?
Yeah, bro, somewhere there.
To home? You going home? Yeah. How is this road? Is it like this most of the time? Better? Thank you so much.
Okay.
Have a good day.
How far you going?
I'm going to... Oh yeah, where I'm going? I'm going to... What's the name? I'm going to... Chirundu.
Okay.
It's still a long way, hey? I've got time. I think I'm gonna go this way. This dust is so fine and deep. But that's okay. We'll make our own way. We'll nearly there, really. Good girl. Whew. Oh, hold on, no. We're going, I don't know, straight? I think so. I think that's just the compound. I love my steering damper in these conditions. Lunchtime.